Have you ever noticed? Every Indian family has that one food item without which the house feels incomplete. Pickle with dal chawal, namkeen with evening chai, papad during lunch, masala in every kitchen. And the funny thing is, we consume these products almost every single day without even thinking who made them. Simple products we barely notice. But behind many of them are businesses worth hundreds of crores. And the shocking part? Many of these brands started from a tiny food processing unit in a small town. Not with huge factories, not with big investors, but by understanding one thing better than everyone else. India will always eat. Today, let's understand how a small food processing business can quietly grow into a 100 crore rupees company in India, starting with a local product. Most successful food businesses don't start with dozens of products. They start with one thing people genuinely love. It could be pickles, spices, namkeen, snacks, papad. At first, production is small, a few workers, basic machines, limited customers. Products are sold only in local shops and nearby markets. But in India, something interesting happens. If people love the taste, word spreads very fast. One customer becomes 10. 10 become hundreds. And slowly, trust starts becoming a brand. How the industry actually works. Now most people think food processing is only about making food. But that's not the real business. The real business is quality, packaging, branding, distribution. Because customers may try products once, but they return to brands they trust. The turning point. But here's where everything changes. Packaging. The moment products start looking professional, businesses stop selling only locally. Now products can enter supermarkets, online marketplaces, large distributors, different states. And this is where scaling begins. One delivery van becomes multiple trucks. One local store becomes hundreds of distributors. One product becomes a recognizable brand. And slowly, a small business starts becoming a manufacturing company. And this is why food processing is different from many industries. People may stop buying luxury products, but they never stop eating. India's growing population and middle class continue increasing demand for ready-to-eat foods, hygienic packaging, trusted brands, convenience products. Demand never truly disappears. Machines and expansion. As demand grows, the factory grows too. Most businesses begin with grinding machines, mixing machines, fryers, packaging machines, sealing machines. As orders increase, automation enters the picture. Basic production lines slowly become larger manufacturing systems. And step by step, a small factory becomes a large-scale business. Export potential. And the opportunity doesn't stop in India. Indian food products are becoming popular worldwide. Countries like USA, UAE, UK, Canada import Indian snacks, spices, and packaged foods because Indian flavors are loved globally. This is how many local businesses become international brands. Government support. The government is also supporting food processing industries through food parks, export support, skill development, technology assistance. Because this industry creates jobs and supports farmers at the same time. Major challenges. But if the opportunity is so big, why doesn't everyone succeed? Because there are challenges. Maintaining quality, building customer trust, competition, distribution. But businesses that stay consistent eventually stand out. How we help entrepreneurs turn opportunities into reality. Every successful factory once started as just an idea. The difference is not opportunity. The difference is having the right roadmap. At Need Project Consultancy Services, we help entrepreneurs understand the complete business ecosystem, from factory setup and machinery selection to market research, project feasibility, technology guidance, and future growth opportunities. Because building a factory is not just about machines. It's about building a business that can survive, scale, and grow. If you're interested in entering the food processing business, comment food below and our team can help guide you further. You can also find complete details in the description below. And remember, the next generation of successful businesses may not be built inside offices. They may be built inside factories. Subscribe for more manufacturing opportunities and future business ideas.